Hi, welcome. I'm Tracy Drake, and this is the second video of a series of standing Qigong, and we're actually working today with the third brocade of 8 brocades in total. And this particular brocade is called Unite Heaven and Earth, and it's a lovely lateral stretch. So find your basic standing Qigong position, little softness in the knees, standing tall but with ease. And we press one hand down towards the earth. The other arm reaches up towards the sky, flat hand. I know you'll lose it in the camera, but pushing flat palm of the hand towards the heavens, and then we switch sides. So generally exhaling as we switch, inhaling as we reach up and push down, and then switching sides once again. So coordinating breath with the movement. Inhale as you stretch, and just doing as much as you can do. And then exhaling as you switch sides. And I like to soften the knees and really enjoy that stretch. So a nice soft movement. Allow the hands to travel alongside one another as I switch sides, and feel that chi energy between the hands, and just noticing the hands traveling through space, noticing the stretch in the side body as you work with this movement. Nice. You can look up to the arm above you or look down to the hand below you. You decide. Maybe have a practice with both variations. Nice. And once more either side. And hands come back to alongside the body, finding our basic standing posture. Take a moment, notice any effects of the practice. And there you have it, the third brocade, Unite Heaven and Earth. Thank you for joining me.